Hi guys! Guess what? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going for my road test today. I went for my road test a few times ago. Obviously, I did not pass because I'm going again. I'm so nervous, bruv. So I feel like throwing up. Honestly, this license thing is not my problem. Like, I was trying really hard to get it, but like, you know, if things don't come to you, just let it go, right? I am so freaking scared. I've heard that the instructors are really strict, so I'm going to try to crack some jokes with them, make them laugh. But I feel like when you crack a joke, especially with someone strict, they don't find it funny at all, and I'm going to save my life. Sounds good. It's a beautiful day like Christmas. Happy holiday. Oh, the sun is too much. Oh my gosh, if I'm going to be doing my road test during this sunny afternoon, bro, I hope the sun doesn't fly me and crash into someone, because that's not gonna be cool. My heart is like beating so fast. I'm just wondering, like, how do you function when you're nervous? Like, what do you do? What do you do when you're nervous? I have arrived. Cars are everywhere, literally. There's so many people. Well, it's still like an hour for my road test, but I need to go confirm my. I can't even speak because I'm literally shaking. What the? I need to go and confirm my appointment. So let's go. Oh my gosh, it's falling from my face. We're here. Currently just 3:08. I'm waiting for the instructor. You guys, 15 more minutes left until my road test. Oh, baby! Somebody come get me, because I am feeling a little bit too uncomfortable. I am so ready for this test. We put a sticker on the window so it can help me park. So it's like there on the window. It's really tiny. It's really, really tiny. Remember? Do you think you notice where to park? I don't think you notice. I have calmed down completely. Like, I am not as anxious anymore, which is great. I'm just looking around and I'm like, wow. So I'm gonna be driving like on the road. Powerful. Like, I'm actually going to be going from skr with other millions of people. I hope I don't turn left on the red light. That would be funny. It's almost 3:30, so this is goodbye. I'll see you later.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Get out the way, bitch, get out.
Background waving or
I am fucking shaking. I am shaking so fucking much. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. I feel like crying. Oh shit, I dropped my license.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little wet. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little wet.
Oh my gosh, my head hurts. You guys don't understand how long it took me. I am shaking right now. Like, did I look good in my photo though? Like, I think you did. I feel like driving home. No. Right? Guys, I got my freaking license. This is no joke. Oh, I'm like, anyways, let's go home.
where to?
I'm going home. Yes. Take me home. I'm going home.